So I started snowboarding with the school groups, and that was what got me into it. And we would do an after-school program, and for me, it was getting out of a traditional learning platform was important, and that was, for me, that was snow sports. I have a high school student coming tomorrow to build a board for themselves, right? So he's part of a hands-on alternative learning curriculum that where the teacher reached out and sought interest in what we do here, and probably similar to how I was feeling at his age. We are building a snowboard for Lumio. So with Lumio offering different alternatives to be more involved, you know, having students here, seeing what we do, being a part of it, and being involved in a world that they're typically not exposed to, they're able to then relate that back to what they're doing in school and the studies that they're a part of, and hopefully feel more passionate about them. You know, that's one of the benefits that we have of being a custom shop, is we can make changes and adjustments to people that have different requirements. And we have a repeat customer who's 94 years old, and you know, he's sending us videos of him riding, and so everything we do has to be adaptable, and we have to be able to change quickly. And we like to support people in the community that align with our values and have similar goals in mind. I'm trying to think of how I try and present myself as a mentor when I'm you know, teaching somebody how to do any of these processes. That's sort of, it puts me in that role, which is interesting.